Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can purchase the patty in order to grow them and turn them into these like rice balls, I guess. So go to Blanc, go to the gardening store, and you will see the patty seed is actually right here next to the wheat seed. It looked a lot like the corn seed, that's why I missed it. The growth time takes around 20 minutes, so just be aware of that. I'm just going to purchase a lot here. And I will be right back once I've grown the patty seed and I'll show you the end result as well. And we are just going to use the, where is it, growth booster here. So it's faster. Let's just do this one. And this is what the patty leaves look like. Sorry, patty seed look like when they're done growing. So yeah, that is where you can get the patty in Heartopia for the new event. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!